Imagine you are merging onto the highway and suddenly your car feels like it has lost all its muscle, or maybe you hear a strange whistling sound that was never there before. If you have scanned your car and found the code P004EF, you are dealing with an intermittent or erratic issue in the turbocharger or supercharger boost control B circuit. This is a generic powertrain code that pops up on all sorts of modern vehicles, from heavy-duty trucks like the Ford Powerstroke or Chevy Duramax to smaller cars from Volkswagen or Toyota. Essentially, your turbo or supercharger is an air pump designed to cram more oxygen into the engine to create more power. But right now, the PCM, which is your car's brain, is getting confused by the signals coming from the boost control system. On many newer turbocharged engines, manufacturers use what is called a VGT, or variable geometry turbocharger. These systems use tiny adjustable vanes around the turbine that can open and close to change boost pressure regardless of how fast the engine is spinning. This allows for a much smoother power delivery, but it also adds complexity. The B in this code refers to a specific portion of the circuit rather than just one single part, meaning the problem could be the wiring, the solenoid, or even the sensor itself. This is a moderate to severe issue because if you get too much boost, you risk serious engine damage from detonation, while too little boost leaves you with a sluggish and unresponsive car. You should start your diagnosis by doing a thorough visual inspection of the turbo and the lines around it, looking for loose connections, frayed wires, or vacuum leaks if your system uses a vacuum actuator. A great way to test this is by using a bidirectional scan tool to command the control solenoid to move while holding the engine at about 1,200 RPM. If the engine sound changes but the position data on your screen does not move, you likely have a faulty sensor or a break in the wiring. Always check for power and ground at the solenoid while it is commanded on, and do not forget to look inside the intake to make sure no debris has physically damaged the turbo wheels. Take care of this quickly to keep your engine safe and your performance where it should be.